James
James
chapter 4,
chapter 4,
10 to
10 to
17.
17.
Humble yourselves
Humble yourselves
before the Lord,
before the Lord,
and He will
and He will
exalt you.
exalt you.
Do not speak evil
Do not speak evil
against one another.
against one another.
Brothers,
Brothers,
the one
the one
who speaks
who speaks
against a brother
against a brother
or judges
or judges
his brother,
his brother,
speaks evil
speaks evil
against the law
against the law
and judges the law.
and judges the law.
But if you judge the law,
But if you search the law,
you are not a doer
you are not the doer
of the law,
of the law,
but a judge.
but a judge.
There is only one
There is only one
lawgiver and judge,
lawgiver and judge.
he who is able to save
He who is able to save
and to destroy.
and to destroy.
But who are you
But who are you
to judge your neighbor?
to judge your neighbor?
Come now,
Come now,
you
you
who say
who say
today or tomorrow
today or tomorrow
we will go into
we will go into
such and such a town
and such a town
and spend a year
and spend a year
there
there
and trade
and pray
and make a profit.
and make a profit.
Yet you
If you
do not know
do not know
what tomorrow will
what tomorrow will
bring.
bring,
What is your life?
what is your life?
For you are a mist
For you are a mist
that appears for a
that appears for a
little time
little time
and then vanishes.
and then vanishes.
Instead, you
Instead, you
ought to say,
ought to say,
if the Lord wills,
if the Lord will,
we will live
we will live
and do this
and do this
or that.
or that.
As it is,
As it is,
you boast in your
you boast in your
arrogance.
arrogance.
All such boasting is evil.
All such boasting is evil.
So whoever
So whoever
knows the right thing
knows the right thing
to do
to do
and fails to do it,
and fails to do it,
for him it is sin.
for him it is